But first exam I cleared. So I got confidence. I do 2 domains parallelly. So I am Professor Ramashree from SV University College of Engineering, Tirupati. So actually 2020 Jan, I was selected for LEAP program. In ISA Kolkata, we had some couple of 20 members were there. So in the evening times, one of my participant, my name Sugandhi, she's a professor in Mahendra College. Evening time she used to do, we all wanted to chat, but she used to do the assignments. Net was very poor in that ISR Kolkata campus. I mean, not in the campus, the accommodation were. But first exam I cleared. So I got confidence. So I started my examinations, whatever the NPTEL courses, 2021 January, the exam started. From there, now I have completed more than 25 plus courses. Wow. And the domain, I am going, that's what I am telling you, the people who are there, you plan according to the domain. So domain, I think, gives some thought, insight about some area. Rather than picking up randomly, I do 2 domains parallelly. I plan 2 domains because all the courses will not be offered in some domains. So whatever the courses domain they offer, I plan according to the 2 domains. Senior faculty domain I finished, and the patents and intellectual property domains I have finished. And then now data science I have started, and data science and AI. Parallelly I am doing it. Data science almost over, 4 weeks is left over. So 3 domains almost finished, and AI I am starting. Now I registered 8 courses, but Mausam is there. He said whatever is 100% practical, whatever he said is correct only. Especially that course I left, actually I didn't take up because I was not confident of that. So I am just, we go diffident, right? After I have 30 years of experience in teaching, we are failing in something, I think it doesn't good. I think you give us the option in that, especially AI, that particular course we want. 100% they raised it, we want it. And this is about my journey. 2 years I have completed 25. Surely I have registered 8 courses. Psychology also. Now AI and psychology parallelly I am doing it. I think some people have said yoga with psychology also. I have finished couple of courses in psychology also. I am doing planning that. So I think really I want to thank any online platform, you something different, sir. The NPTEL taking up the exam. Really I also travel 50 kilometers to write the exam. Sundays, always we'll wait for Sundays, especially professors to take rest, but NPTEL, whatever the examination, really we enjoy it. So I'm a teacher, I enjoy like a student. When we were writing BTech or MTech exams with fear or with some stress we used to write, now I'm enjoying my exams I'm doing, because nobody is going to ask me whether you're passed or not. Only NPTEL people appreciate and send some certificates, we feel so elated.